In this video, we will learn about the action of lens. So, we know for a fact that a convex lens is a converging lens and a concave lens is a diverging lens. So, when a parallel beam of light on passing through a convex lens bends inwards so as to meet at one point, such inward bending of light rays by a convex lens is called its converging action. Now, on the other hand, in a concave lens, when a parallel beam of light on passing through the lens bends outwards, now, these rays do not meet anywhere but appear to diverge from one point. Such outward bending of light rays by a concave lens is called its diverging action. Now, a lens may be considered as a combination of prism. A lens may be considered as a series of truncated prism arranged in order as shown in the figure, as you can see in this particular two diagrams. In a convex lens, various truncated prisms have their bases towards the principal axis of the lens, and in case of concave lens, the truncated prisms are arranged with their bases away from the principal axis. First point is the converging action of a convex lens. So in the simplified figure, you can see that a convex lens may be considered as being made up of a rectangular block in the middle and two prisms P1 and P2 on either sides, such that their bases are towards the principal axis. Now, when a parallel beam of light ray is incident on such a combination, the ray P incident on prism P1 bends towards the base, that is bends inwards. When a parallel beam of light is incident on such a combination, the ray P incident on prism P1 bend towards the base, that is bend downward. But the ray R incident on prism P2 bend towards its base, that is bends upwards. The ray Q passing through the rectangular slab passes undeviated. Now the emergent rays meet at a point F on the other side of the lens. Thus, the convex lens acts as a converging lens. Second one is the diverging action of a concave lens. So, a concave lens may also be considered as a combination of a central rectangular block S and two prism P1 and P2. This is P1 and this is P2 on the opposite side of the block. However, the two prisms have their bases outwards, away from the rectangular block. So when a parallel beam of light is incident on prism P1, then the ray bend towards its base. Now, when a parallel beam of light is incident on such a combination, the ray P incident on prism P1 bend towards the base, that is bends upwards. But the ray R incident on prism P2 bend towards its base, that is bend downwards. Now the ray Q passing through the rectangular slab goes undeviated. Now these emergent rays do not meet but appear to meet behind. Now these emergent rays do not meet but appear to diverge from a single point, that is F. This is the F point, situated on the side of the ray incident on the lens. Thus, a concave lens acts as a diverging lens. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.